think customers have a lot of tolerance for, what in employees you call their behaviours. And what I mean by that is I've seen really good examples of organisations that thriving is a strong word, but certainly more than surviving.
I think we need to be much more customer insight led. And I think brands and businesses need to appear more responsive than ever to what people are looking for.
I think organisations have to keep doing what they're doing. If consumers recognise the brand and trust the brand, organisations are beholden to hold that trust and maintain it. If consumers are promised something, whether that's a product quality, whether that's a product available at time, whether that's a product at a location at a certain time, whether that's a return transaction being refunded, all of these things are trust and promise.
I would say that the key thing is to work out what your customer is trying to do. So, and making sure that you are helping them solve that problem better than anyone else.
If you're talking about the UK, I think Brexit might even turn out to be bigger than the pandemic. I think it's probably not going back to old way of working. Digital, when it takes hold, it stays.
We see lots of evidence of customers using 2020 as a moment to fundamentally re-examine loyalties and patterns of behaviour and consumption that they've simply never had to challenge before. And so I think certainly in the B2C world, it's that kind of reforging of those bonds and reintroducing yourself to the customer, making sure they understand what you stand for and that you're here to stay.